Hello everyone, this is Nissim. In the last video about LTX, I experienced lots of slowness, and I also saw in the issues of Comfy that people report about slowness in the last versions. We are talking about version 0.3, as you can see here, 0.34, and people report about big slowness also in Flux. Now, this is true, it's happened, but after around 10 hours of researching and trial and error, I actually installed Comfy 0.23, which was the last version that worked best for me, okay? And I still got the slowness. Also, I tried 0.24, it's still there, 0.27, 27 still there, and 0.34 still. And in the big change was in version 0.3 to 0.24 when they update the Python. So I thought maybe this is the issue. I install everything, and it's still there. This is not the problem. I found out some issues, okay, that caused it. And now after I cracked it, my rendering, as you can see, video now take 41 seconds. Okay, this video took me 41 seconds. No matter how many videos I create, I can create video after video after video, 41 seconds. And Flux took me 73 seconds instead of 5 minutes, as you can see here. Now, what is the solution? Okay, we have multiple things that we need to pay attention to. The first one is NVIDIA driver. When you open NVIDIA settings and you go to drivers, you have two types of drivers, okay? I am, as a studio creator, as a content creator, I thought I need to use studio driver. So I used it and it's working for me, but then the problem started, apparently. So I first of all, after I tried all Comfy versions and I got the issue in all the Comfy versions, no matter which version I tried, I reinstall NVIDIA driver, game ready driver, not studio driver, game ready driver. That one actually did a major change, and the memory leaks that I had was completely gone. Okay, actually completely gone. I'm talking about this version that you see here, 566.14. That version need to be, at least that version, game ready driver. So please install that and restart your computer. That's crack most of the problem. Now, an important thing is if you are playing the computer, Fortnite and other games, okay, you need to make sure that if you get any slowness, it sometimes happens because some collision with the video card. And what solve it for me is to restart. And I have quite a lot of RAM, okay, and I have 4090. But because whatever reason, something is messed between the games and the use of the GPU for image rendering. It's happened to me multiple times. So, and I never connect the dots. But now, if I get a slowness after playing the games, I restart and it solves it. Okay, and then it just run fast. Okay, another thing that the Comfy is actually taking lots of resources because you are using very large amount of GPU, and you might get to 100%, and the VRAM is very high. Although it's very high, there are models that need lots of memory. Now, right now I'm recording with the camera, and even when the camera is off, those applications are using also the GPU, NVIDIA with all the drivers of NVIDIA, etc. So while I'm using the recording, I do experience a problem with the VRAM, which is not released very easily, and the GPU processing. But when I do turn off all the recording and all the software that use other NVIDIA tools while Comfy is using them. So when the software is off, except of Comfy, everything is work super smoothly. Okay, that image took to create. Let me scroll it a little up. Okay, that image took around 30 seconds. Okay, here is that one. Sorry, 71 seconds for this image, and the video that you see here took 30 seconds. You can see because it's 20 steps, and the image which is in this image, which is Flux model, took 71 seconds. Now, it's important to understand that the Comfy is something that did change in the last versions, but the Comfy actually take lots of resources and not sharing with anything. I remember in the past when I recorded videos and did the rendering, it was okay. Something changed, but most of the users are not recording or using the GPU while they are rendering. It means that right now everything is working smoothly for me as long as I'm not recording. Okay. Now, if I'm using the camera, as you see me here, it's using a lot of GPU power because it's rendering, it removes the background, etc. So if you will do the steps that I gave, you might have much better performance, and even it might solve all the issues that you have with Comfy today. I hope this video assists you. Please comment me if you still have issues so we can research about it. And just for you to know, I just use the new Comfy that released today, which is 0.35, and it's working great. Okay, I don't experience any issues with the Comfy itself, only with the sharing of the same GPU with Comfy and other things. Thank you very much, and if you need any assist, write me, subscribe, help me to spread the word, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.